back to the pink envelope. I am super excited to be unboxing with you DecoCrated Spring 2021. I cannot believe I'm actually saying that, but here we are. And I am very, very excited to dive in. Before we dive in there, you guys make sure you subscribe to my channel because the DecoCrated Easter exclusive 2021 box is coming out next and you're not gonna wanna miss it. I already know what's inside and it is amazing, amazing, amazing. So stop right now, go subscribe. Let's dive in. I have my tape measure. We're ready to go. On top, as always, everything's all packed up and we have the envelope that has the double-sided art. You might now know why I'm wearing the shirt I'm wearing. Look at this palette. This guy is, and I will have all of these measurements in the notes below and pinned comment and on my blog. But it is a 4x6 print. 4x6 print on this guy if you want to pick up a frame. Then we have the catalog, which talks about the artist, how everything was curated, what's inside the box, all of that good stuff is in here. I'm not looking because although I know what's in the box, I haven't actually touched it and seen it, and I'm excited. So on top, a lot of y'all were asking me, pillowcases, do you think pillowcases? Well, we have a pillowcase. Now, some of you get shocked by this sizing. This pillowcase size has been used a couple other times in the box. This is not the first time to use this, so if you bought your insert already, you're good to go. If not, the correct insert size and the pillow that works best is linked in the notes below, also in my blog, all of that good stuff, so that you can snag a pillow to exchange between these. It is super soft. This blue side over here is gorgeous, but just to give you an idea, it's about 19 inches long and about 12 inches tall. And this, I mean, both sides are soft, but this has more of the embroidery on it. It's not as soft as this other side. I love that it's dual-sided because sometimes I just want to flip it over and have something neutral. So we got a pillowcase. All right. Okay, in our first box we have an art, a custom framed art. So there's 1 and 2. I love these. Love the wood frame. I do a lot of natural woods. They have the hanger in the back. These are amazing. And I'm digging this natural botanical feel thus far. Loving, 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 loving this. So this guy is 9 inches tall, 6 inches wide, and 1 inch deep, 961. Once again, these are all in the notes. They are wood, and they are gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay, I'm gonna have to scoot this thing back. We've only just begun. I am going to take these items afterwards. As you can see, I have my naked fireplace back here. We will do a full mantle styling afterwards with these items, so hang tight if you want to see that. If you are new to DecoCrated, I have in the notes below a coupon code. I have a coupon code for $10 off 1 box or $30 off a year, which is 4 boxes. This is a quarterly box. So you're not gonna wanna miss that. Go snag those coupon codes, order through me. It pays me a little bit of commission, which allows me to continue to do this with you guys, as well as ensures you get the best deal in your box. Hold on. I don't know if this is glass. Oh my gosh. It is not glass, thank goodness. It is tin, which means it's family proof. How stinking cute is this? Oh my goodness. Love the blue. Love, love, love the blue. Where's the tape measure? Okay, so this guy, oh my gosh, I love this guy, is about what? About 8 inches tall, maybe a little over 8 inches, 8.5, including the stand, and about 8 inches wide, including the stand. And already, all of y'all who do all the hacks, the deco hacks for the group, I'm already seeing the great things you guys might be coming up with. I mean, this thing could really be played with in quite a few different ways. But I love this. So this is the spring box. The Easter box that I held up earlier is gonna have the Easter stuff in it. Okay, if you are a regular DecoCrater, like you are on the DecoCrated crew, you've been around for a while, what is one item that y'all have requested over and over and over? We've all talked about it a bunch. Write in the comments below before I show this. Write what you think is like that one item that just keeps getting requested. Because I'm pretty sure they put it in this box. So what does this do? You can take any of the framed art, the custom art pieces, and you put them right inside this clip, and they are framed and done, and you can rotate it. It has the ability to stand or the ability to hook. This is so cute. It is a whitewood edge, which I'm really glad they did that, because if they would have done everything in this natural wood edge, it would have made it hard to design with. They're giving us some versatility and style, and I love, love, love that. How many times have I said that? I am really liking this box. This is about 9.5 inches tall by 7.5 inches wide-ish, and about 1.5 inches deep. It's wood. This is great. If you have a favorite item thus far, comment. Let me know what your thoughts are, what y'all are loving. Look at these. They are a stack of books, like the art stack of books with the ribbon tied around, but they're actually separated. Now they're not books, they're wood, so they're durable and you don't have to worry about them peeling or tearing. But they're separated, so you could stack these in a variety of ways. They don't have to stay in one version. Look as I'm scooting them around. Aren't these so great? They say collect beautiful moments. You obviously could shift those around if you wanted to. All three, let's see, they are 3 different sizes, with the bottom one being the biggest at 8 inches long. The second one is 7.5. The third one is 7. 5 inches at the bottom, 5 inches, 5 inches. So they're all the same width. Their lengths are different. It comes to a total height of 3.5 inches. I love these, and I'll say I've seen these a lot, not like this though. They're the solid wood and they just put the groove there, so you have no variety whatsoever in how you can style these. These you can shift all around. You also can hack these. I cannot wait to see what you guys do in hacking these. All right, the last item, and it's heavy. So I have a feeling this item could be, I don't want to say controversial. I think this is going to be a love-hate item. I would like to know your honest opinion after I pull this out and you see it, if you are happy to have this item or if you're just over it. You might already know what I'm going to pull out. Oh, look, it's heavy. It is a Trivet tray. It actually does have a break in the center, and it goes down the center of a table like this coffee table, or down the center of a dining room table. It is a form of a tray, which is why I said what I said earlier. Are you excited to have another tray that is different, that is set up different, that looks different, that's structured different? Or are you kind of over the tray concept? For me, I love this. I love, love, love this. I'm noticing here some hardware, which I was not expecting to get. What is the hardware for? So there's hardware in here. And there's a block of wood in here. I wonder if it's so you can lock the tray in place. The wood runner. Looking to add a hint of boho chic to your space, our wood runner tray will do the trick. Let's see. It does not say here. Let's look in here. Yes, so you could put the runner pedestal tray locking block on if you want. So you can put it in, you can leave it like this where it can bend, or you can turn it on the bottom, it goes underneath, and it'll lock the tray in place. They gave you the option to add that on, which I think is brilliant. So there you go. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items, all of which I think emulate beautiful spring colors, but that can also be used, especially things like this and this, well beyond the season. Okay, who wants to go decorate? Let's go. Okay, you guys, so the first thing I went and did is grab the tray from the Winter 2019. It has a similar print inside, and I stuck my books on there with the coasters. And then I pulled this pillow from the Spring 2020, I'm looking at my DecoCrated books I have over here, box, and added it to just give pull that little bit of that darker color because I happen to love it. But the real kicker, the beautiful, is my mantle. Let's go look at that. So I grabbed my clipboard from my DecoCrated Spring, I think 2019 or 2020, I can't remember. It's one of the original DecoCrated pieces. I use this board all the time because I want to tell you guys where each of the items came from. Obviously, these are our pieces from our box we just did, and I love, love, love them. But I also have the lantern that came in the Christmas 2020 box, which is a perfect little addition to adding height over here. I have obviously our 2 prints, and then this is the lattice from Spring 2020. All the other pieces like the boxwood and the art, I think most of those came from Home Goods, like our stacked books. This is just a favorite of mine. Jane Austen, who's a Jane Austen fan? Comment below if you are a period piece Jane Austen lover like I am. I love her stuff. Okay, then I have here the framed art in the metal lantern from last year's box, Spring 2020. And then this is a green blanket from Winter 2019. And if you've been around here at all, you've seen these crates. I have 2 of them. I got those off the Deco shop, and they are awesome. I use them for storing blankets and shoes, and I stack things. They're great. So pretty much everything up here is a DecoCrated 2019 and 2020. And the thing I'm loving is now that I've been a member for a couple of years, it's getting easier and easier to decorate because I can stack my multiple boxes. But I want to show you what I did to my dining room, so let's head over there. Okay, my kids are finally not distance learning anymore. They are back in school, so it was really important to me now that the kids are back in school to get the dining room in a place where when they get home, it's happy and we can sit together and have dinner. So I added the Trivet tray on here. This is the Our Happy Place sign from Fall 2020, and this Geo is from Summer 2020. And then I rotate the flowers based on the season. I have a sneaky suspicion. I'm not a big hacker. I hack some pieces sometimes, but I can see myself after a couple of months wanting to hack this to rotate with each of the seasons so I can leave it on the table permanently. Wouldn't it be so cute to have your main dishes stacked up here and then everybody eating around it? I just think that would be cute. If you are a regular DecoCrater, comment below and tell me which item is your favorite. Maybe which one isn't your favorite. Maybe it's not even from this box, it's from a past box. I absolutely love knowing what you guys love. If you are new to DecoCrated, I have 2 coupon code options, and I might even have a 3rd one popping up. So to get the exclusive pop-up coupon codes, you've got to follow me on Instagram at the pink envelope. Otherwise, use the notes below, the pinned comment up top, my blog post to grab your $10 off 1 box or $30 off 4 boxes, which is a year subscription. when you sign up now. And if you sign up now, you get this box, which is pretty exciting. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.